Maddie Compton, a student ambassador at the Gainesville Theatre Alliance. This is a self-audition tape tutorial designed to help you succeed in submitting your best work. You should always film in front of a clean, neutral background that will allow the focus to be on you and your work, not your TV or your family portrait in the background. You should wear a solid colored shirt or dress so as to not distract the audience from your performance. You also want to make sure you are in a well-lit, quiet indoor environment so that you can be seen and heard. Make sure that your camera is on a steady surface, set up horizontally where it won't shake or fall. It should be placed so that you have a medium shot of your body, from your head to your waist. Your video can easily be shot using any typical smartphone or digital camera. Begin your audition video with your slate. This consists of your name and the city you live in. This is your time to show your personality by looking directly into the camera. After your slate, you can begin your pieces by looking either a few inches to the left or right of the camera. If you're interested in auditioning for the BFA acting program, you'll need to prepare 2 60-second monologues. If you'd like to audition for the BFA musical theater program, you'll need 1 60-second monologue and 2 songs about 16 bars each, preferably 1 belt and 1 legit. In picking your pieces, make sure you're picking a monologue that is appropriate for you. Pick something you can relate to. While filming, you should also make sure you remain completely in frame. For this style of audition, we want to see how well you connect to your pieces while remaining in frame, not how well you move or dance. To submit your video, go to getaccepted.com/UNGtheater. To contact us or learn more, visit GainesvilleTheatreAlliance.org, follow us on Instagram at Gainesville Theatre Alliance, or email cmorris1@brnow.edu. We hope that this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing your fantastic audition videos. Thanks for watching!